Okay. It is given that in a group, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday. Probability of not having the same birthday means probability of E be the, let first we assume that let E be the event, the the event of having same birthday, having the same birthday. Then probability of having the same birthday. What is the probability that to have the same birthday? The probability of not having the same birthday. We have probability of student not having the same birthday is, that means E bar not having the same birthday is equal to 0.992. What is the probability that a two students have the same birthday? You have to find probability of same birthday, that is PE, probability of the same birthday. Okay, after this you write this in. And as you know, we have to find the probability of having the same birthday is equal to 1 minus probability of not having the same birthday. So that is equal to 1 minus 0.992. So 1 minus 0.992 is equal to 0.008. 92 plus 8 is 1000. So the probability of 2 students having the same birthday is thus the probability of thus the probability of probability that the 2 students have the same birthday, have the same birthdays 0.00. Okay, got it. A bag contains 3 red balls. How many red balls? 3 red balls and 5 black balls are kept in a bag. Okay, so total number of balls are, therefore we have total number of balls in a bag, in the bag, is equal to 3 red plus 5 black. 3 plus 5, 8 balls. There are total 8 balls in the bag. A ball is drawn at random from a bag. One ball is drawn. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red? The probability of red ball. Probability of red ball is equal to number of favorable cases upon total number of cases, mean number of red balls upon total number of balls. So red balls are, because only one ball we are taking out of 3, so we can take in 3 ways. So that's why 3 red balls, number of red balls on total number of balls. So 3 red balls and total number is 8. So 3 by 8 is the probability of getting the red ball. Similarly, second not red ball, probability of getting not red ball, not red ball is equal to 1 minus probability of getting red ball. So that is 1 minus 3 by 8. So LCM is 8. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 means 5. 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 is the probability of not getting a red ball, probability of getting a red ball. They will ask probability of getting black ball. So we can find ability of getting the black ball. It is not asked, but just telling to you that black ball is equal to number of black balls, 5 total number of balls. But here in your course generally we are taking only one ball. So one ball is drawn at random. That's why we can write number of balls directly. Otherwise, it will be a different condition. It is there in higher classes. A box contains 5 red marbles and 8 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles. One marble is drawn, is taken out of the box at random, or the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, and not green. So not green means you have to find the green, and 1 minus not green. The total number of marbles in a box. Total number of marbles is equal to 5 red plus 8 white and 4 green. So 8 of 5, 13 or 4, 17. Total is 17 marbles. Findability, getting the red one, probability of red, number of red marbles upon total number of marbles. So red are 5, so 5 by 17. You can write directly, and probability of white, probability of getting the white marble is equal to how many white are there? 8. So 8 by 17. And probability of getting not green marble, not green. So we will find first probability of getting green one. So that is 4 by 17. But here it is asked to find not green. So we will write not green will be equal to 1 minus getting green, probability of green, that is equal to 1 minus 4 by 17. LCM is 17. 17 1 plus 17. 17 minus 4, 13. So we get 13 upon 17. 13 by 17. Piggy bank contains 150 paisa coins and 50 rupee one coin and 20 rupees two coins and 10 rupees 5 coins. So first of all, we should know total number of coins in the bank. So total number of coins in a bank. So we have done 100 coins of 50 paisa each, then 50 coins of 1 rupees each, then 20 coins of 2 rupees each, then 10 coins of 5 rupees each. Okay, so it is equal to 180 coins. Total, how many coins are there? 180 coins. It is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. What is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paisa coin? First, find the probability of getting 50 paisa coin. So first, you can write here number of 50 paisa coins, number of 1 rupee coin, number of 50 p coins is equal to 100. We have, and number of rupee 1 coins is equal to 50, and number of rupees 2 coins is equal to 20, and number of 5 rupees coins is equal to 10. This you should write first, and then this total number of coins. Now, probability, number of favorable cases upon total number of possible cases, as you know. So we have to find probability of calling out of a 50 paisa coin. Is equal to number of favorable cases upon total number of possible cases. You can write also number of favorable cases upon total number of favorable cases on total number of possible cases. Total number of possible cases. So in each question you can write first formula also. So favorable cases means 50 paisa coin. How many 50 paisa coins are there? 100. So favorable cases are 100, and total number of cases are 180. So 100 by 180. That means 0 and 0 will cancel. 2 5 the 10, 2 9 the 18. 5 by 9. Then what is the probability that it will not a 5 rupees coin? It will not a 5 rupees coin, means other than 5 rupees coin. Means we have to exclude the 5 rupees coins, or we can find the probability of getting 5 rupees coin and 1 minus not getting 5 rupees coin. Correct? So we find the probability of calling out 5 rupees 5 coin. So how many rupees 5 coins are there? 10. 10 by 180. But we have to find the probability of not rupees 5, sorry. Not falling out rupees 5 points is equal to 1 minus 10 upon 180. So this will be equal to LCM 180. So 180 minus 10 upon 180, that is equal to 170 upon 180. 0, 0 cancel. We got 17 upon 18. Answer is 17 upon 18. Okay. Next question. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fishes. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? Very easy one. Total number of fishes in the tank, we know that total number of fish in the tank is equal to 5 plus 8. 5 male, 8 female, so total is 13. And number of elementary events, 13. Means total number of events are 13. There are 5. We have to find the probability of taking out a probability of taking out a male fish. A male fish. That means total number of male fish are 5, correct? And total possible ways are 13. So 5 by 13. Very simple question. 5 by 13. Okay. The question is, a game of dance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest at one of the numbers. At one of the numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see this arrow. This is the arrow which pointer, you can say the pointer. This is the pointer, and this pointer is fixed. Only we have to move this spinning of this wheel. Okay. So these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at 8? Find probability of getting 8, an odd number, a number greater than 2, a number less than 9. So sample space, you can write here sample space. So what are the possible outcomes that should be written in the sample space? We can say that this is the sample space where the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 possible outcomes. Okay. So pointer Find the probability that it will point at 8. The first question is, there is only one 8 on the spinning wheel or spinning plant. Favorable number of outcomes is 1 only. So 8 can come only one time. Therefore, the first probability of arrow points at 8. The probability that arrow points at 8. So out of this 8, there is only one possibility of getting 8. There are possible cases, 8 possible cases, or an 8 number 8 can come only one time out of that possible cases. Okay. So 1 and total number of possible cases, that is ns, number of total possible cases are 8. So 1 by 8 is the probability of getting this event. You can define by E1, E2. Now we have the second event. Let E2 be the event which is denoting an odd number. An odd number. So here what are odd numbers? Possible odd numbers are, here possible odd numbers are 1, 3, 5 and 7. So number of favorable cases to this event n E2 is number of cases favorable to event in favor of event E2 is 4. Okay. So probability of getting, or you can write the probability and the arrow points at an odd number. When the arrow points at an odd number. So number of chances of getting odd number is 4 and total number of possible cases are 8. So 4 ones are 4, 4 2 8, 1 5. So 50% chances are there. And a number less than 9. So we can define the event. Number less than 9 is, let it be E2 event. So less than 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, it can be 5, it can be 6, it can be 7. So less than 9, it can be 8 also. All has come. Okay. So there are only all 8 events are giving the less than 9. So probability of getting, the arrow points towards, total arrow points a number less than 9 is equal to total cases are 8. 8 upon 8 is equal to 1. So 100%. So 100% any less than 9 anyone will come. So the probability is 100% of getting that number.